Welcome to City Quiz channel. If you're preparing for the MDCAT entry test, you've come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the best resources to ace your MDCAT exam. We've already uploaded our first video, and now, we're excited to bring you our second video in the series, focusing on the English section. In this video, you'll find a series of quizzes specifically designed to test and improve your English skills for the MDCAT. These quizzes will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses, ensuring you're fully prepared for the exam. Don't miss out on any of our future videos. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're always updated with our latest content. Watching the full video will give you the maximum benefit, so stay tuned till the end and give yourself the best chance of success. Join us on this journey to success and let's ace the MDCAT together. Let's move to part 2.
Question number 31. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Foreign trade have assumed greater importance in recent years. Option B. Foreign trade has assumed greater importance in recent years. Option C. Foreign trade has assumed greater importance in recent years. Option D. Foreign trade shall assumed greater importance in recent years.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 32. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, muse. Option A. Wander. Option B. Fonder. Option C. Robust. Option D. Ponder.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 33. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct. Option A. Do not stuff your head by things you do not understand. Option B. Do not stuff your head with things you do not understand. Option C. Do not stuff your head for things you do not understand. Option D. Do not stuff your head in things you do not understand.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 34. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, mosaic. Option A. Pattern. Option B. Mortal. Option C. Ordinary. Option D. Musical.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 35. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct. Option A. He lacked both the training and the equipment needed in the job. Option B. He lacked both the training and the equipment needed by the job. Option C. He lacked both the training and the equipment needed on the job. Option D. He lacked both the training and the equipment needed for the job.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 36. Do not lose heart, it is just a shot in the teacup. Option A. Wind. Option B. Cyclone. Option C. Blast. Option D. Storm.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 37. Perish. Option A. Furious. Option B. Come to death. Option C. Secret. Option D. Frustrated.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 38. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word, visage. Option A. Vision. Option B. Illusion. Option C. Trunkless. Option D. A person's face.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 39. Youngsters who indulge in love affairs are usually akshabras in worldly manners. Option A, adjoined. Option B, addled. Option C, adjured. Option D, adhesive.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 40. His theories have been, by recent research. Option A, pronounced. Option B, rearmed. Option C, damned. Option D, debunked.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 41. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. His faculties were all unimpairment, and he had no personal worries of any kind. Option B. His faculties were all unimpairing, and he had no personal worries of any kind. Option C. His faculties were all unimpaired, and he had no personal worry of any kind. Option D. His faculties were all unimpaired, and he had no personal worries of any
Correct
kind.
answer is C.
Question number 42. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Why does not no mana remain true? Option B. Why did not no mana remain true? Option C. Why had not no mana remain true? Option D. Why did not no mana remain true?
Correct answer is B.
Question number 43. Our flight was ease from Lahore to Islamabad Airport. Option A. Diverted. Option B. Reflected. Option C. Deflected. Option D. Shifted.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 44. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Hand down the answer sheet to me. Option B. Hand for the answer sheet to me. Option C. Hand over the answer sheet to me. Option D. Hand up the answer sheet to me.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 45. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word sidle. Option A. Sneak. Option B. Sift. Option C. Sledge. Option D. Sieve.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 46. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word felicity. Option A. Boredom. Option B. Business. Option C. Happiness. Option D. Relaxation.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 47. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word malevolence. Option A. Empathy. Option B. Hostility. Option C. Maligning. Option D. Management.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 48. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. Her father is a SP. Option B. Her father was a SP. Option C. Her father RASP. Option D. Her father were ASP.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 49. The Prime Minister fired a broadside at the opposition leaders. A few of his remarks were not up at the mark. Option A. Broadside. Option B. Opposition. Option C. Remarks. Option D. Up at.
Correct answer is D.
Question number 50. This antibiotic destroys red corpuscles in the blood and cause pernicious anemia. Option A. This antibiotic destroys red corpuscles. Option B in the blood. Option C. And cause pernicious anemia. Option D.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 51. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word reconnoiter. Option A. Patrol. Option B. Arcane. Option C. Exhort. Option D. Falter.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 52. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. It was hard to him to speak out loud, but he managed to murmur something. Option B. It was hard on him to speak out loud, but he managed to murmur something. Option C. It was hard for him to speak out loud, but he managed to murmur something. Option D. It was hard upon him to speak out loud, but he managed to murmur something.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 53, astounded. Option A. Shocked. Option B. Discarded. Option C. Assured. Option D. Attracted.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 54. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one and fill the circle corresponding to that letter in the MCQ response form. Option A. He said there has been no need to do it. Option B. He said there wasn't no need to do it. Option C. He said there had been not any need doing it. Option D. He said there was no need to do it.
Correct answer is A.
Question number 55. The workers were raising much hue and cry when their demands were turned away. Option A. The workers were raising. Option B. Much hue and cry. Option C. When their demands. Option D. Were turned away.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 56. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. The cherry trees stand over the woodland ride. Option B. The cherry trees stand about the woodland ride. Option C. The cherry trees stand beside the woodland ride. Option D. The cherry trees stand on the woodland ride.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 57. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word improvise. Option A. Colophon. Option B. Concoct. Option C. Divert. Option D. Respite.
Correct answer is B.
Question number 58. Alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one. Option A. The space program has been battered in bureaucratic wrangling. Option B. The space program has been battered into bureaucratic wrangling. Option C. The space program has been battered by bureaucratic wrangling. Option D. The space program has been battered to bureaucratic wrangling.
Correct answer is C.
Question number 59. In each of the following question, 4 alternative sentences are given. Choose the correct one and fill the circle corresponding to that letter in the MCQ response form. Option A. Email is a relatively new means of communication. Option B. Email is a relatively new mean of communication. Option C. Email is a relatively new mean to communication. Option D. Email is a relatively new means to
Correct answer is C.
Question number 60. Alternative meanings of a word are given. You have to select the nearest correct meaning of the given word illicit. Option A. Intimate. Option B. Illegal. Option C. Licentious. Option D. Limited.
Correct answer is C.